Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is manufactured by two major processes. The first is contact process and the second is lead chamber process. But contact process is preferred over lead chamber process because contact process gives 98% pure H2SO4 while lead chamber process can give maximum up to 78% pure H2SO4. So now let us discuss about the steps for the formation of sulfuric acid. Step number 1, formation of SO2. Pure sulfur combines with oxygen to give SO2. So this sulfur is obtained by various methods. The first, it is elemental sulfur, which is obtained using fresh process. The second is using iron pyrites. And the third is using hydrogen sulfide, which is obtained from natural gas industries and other industries such as zinc, copper. It is obtained as a byproduct and is used for the manufacture of SO2. This oxygen this oxygen is dried and all the moisture is removed using dehydrating agent such as H2SO4. It is done to avoid corrosion process and to maintain long life of the industrial equipments. The second process is the formation of SO3. SO2 plus half O2 in the presence of catalyst like V2O5 combines to give SO3. This process is done in a two-stage catalytic converter. Though in the first stage, the temperature maintained is about 500 to 600 degrees Celsius and this leads to 80% conversion of SO2 to SO3. In the second stage, the temperature is decreased to 400 to 450 degrees Celsius using water and then this SO2 converts 97% to SO3. Now this SO3 is cooled down and sent to absorption tower. This cooling is done using water. Now in the step number 3, there is a oleum tower reaction. This happens in oleum tower and here the absorption of H2SO4 and combining with SO3 gives H2S2O7. This H2SO7, which is called oleum, is used to give us 98% pure H2SO4. Here the 20% oleum represents that 20 kg of SO3 combines with 80 kg of H2SO4 together. This is an exothermic process because the moles on the product side, that is H2S2O7, is less than the moles on the reactant side, that is the moles of H2SO4 and the moles of SO3. So by Le-Chatelier's principle, the favorable condition for this oleum tower reaction is low temperature and high pressure. Now let us discuss about the whole process of manufacturing of sulfuric acid using a flow diagram. Firstly, air is passed to the air dryer where it combines with H2SO4 which acts as a dehydrating agent. It removes all moisture from the air just to avoid corrosion of industrial equipments. This moisture-free or dried air combines with the molten sulfur and sent to the burner where it burns to produce SO2 gas. This SO2 gas is passed through gas filter where all its impurities are removed. Thus, the step 1 of the process for the formation of SO2 is completed here. So now let's proceed to step 2. Step 2 is to pass through a two-stage catalytic converter. This catalytic converter contains V2O5 vanadium pentoxide or platinum. As platinum is a costly element, so V2O5 is preferred over platinum as a catalyst. Here it is heated to 500 to 600 degrees Celsius and then to 400 to 450 degrees Celsius to obtain SO3. This SO3 formed is passed through air cooler to reduce its temperature and then it is sent to the oleum tower where SO3 combines with H2SO4 to form H2S2O7. This oleum is formed which is about 40% of 40% concentration, and some part of oleum is then diluted to form 98% pure H2SO4, which is our final product. The remaining 90 the H2SO4 of lower concentration, such as 97%, is used in the process of scrubbing off. And in this way, our pure H2SO4 that we require of 98% strength is manufactured using this contact process. Thank you.